That's a Mark 2. Mark 2 knows the knack as well. Honestly, I am so happy that we have arrived at this juncture with that vehicle. It has taken us quite a long time, having to deal with the clutch. We have this is the clutch twin disc, and it ended up having some issues. We put it on the dyno, the car started to, we wanted to do a bit of running in, and then at the end of the day we couldn't even complete the running in process because the clutch started to give us issues. So this is our third attempt on this clutch that we put in there. Now it works, so I'm pretty happy with where we are. It's taken us such a long time. Obviously, I've got so many projects that I'm doing. I've done so many already. There's another one that's coming there. There's another one that is happening there. Ever since I started this project, I've done many others, and unfortunately I didn't have time to complete it. But what we are left with are just minor, small, very small items. It's just the exterior, those side lights, with the grille. I got it painted. I need to find another bumper. I do have a bumper for this, but I just want a better one that has got fog lights. And just finish up the interior because there's still a little bit of work to be done on the interior, but otherwise I'm super chuffed. So next time we shall see it. I think it will be complete, and obviously someone is going to get it.